Factory strings. Unraveling their meaning in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, factory strings. This phrase isn't just about factories or strings, but carries a special meaning in English. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of factory strings together. The term factory strings refers to the strings that come pre-installed on a new musical instrument, like a guitar, from the factory. These strings are often of a basic quality and may not suit every musician's needs. However, the phrase has a broader metaphorical meaning. It symbolizes something standard or basic that is provided from the start, which may eventually be changed or upgraded based on personal preference or necessity. In a metaphorical sense, when someone talks about changing their factory strings, it means they are upgrading or altering something basic they started with. This could be their skills, ideas, or even life circumstances. It's about personal growth and customization of one's life or abilities, moving beyond the factory settings, or the default state. Let's see some examples. 1. Career growth. After years in the same job, she decided to change her factory strings and pursue her dream of starting a business. 2. Personal development. He replaced his factory strings by learning new skills and hobbies, transforming his lifestyle completely. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase factory strings and its uses in English. Remember, it's not just about musical instruments, but about starting with something basic and making it your own. Thanks for watching, and keep learning and exploring the English language.